Crude oil, a daily forecast, April 3rd, FXEmpire.com. The late sweet crude market, as you can see, had a back and forth session during the Tuesday trading hours. Initially breaking down below the 96 handle, but found enough support that we ended up closing right around 97, which is where the market has been focusing on lately. This area looks like it could bring in quite a bit of resistance based upon the cluster back here, and as a result, we are not very comfortable buying up at this level. We think that perhaps this market is getting a bit stretched, and even though it's a hammer-like candle, we think that uh, any move higher will certainly face quite a bit of struggles. We're essentially waiting for some type of resistive candle to start selling, perhaps even from a little bit above current levels. But right now, we are out of the market as we see far more risk to the downside than the up. Looking at the Brent market, you can see that we had actually broken above the 111 level, which was an area we suggested would be rather resistive, and then fell. It looks like the sellers stepped in mass and started shorting this market right away. As we had fallen, we had gotten as low as 110, but you can see there's been a little bit of a bounce from that level. Nonetheless, this looks like a fairly busted market, and if we can get below 109, which would break a couple of long wicks, that would be enough for us to start selling and aiming for 107, the recent low. We also think that at that point in time, it's very likely that 107 would give way and we could start seeing much lower prices. As far as buying is concerned, we just don't have the interest at the moment.